Let us solve OpenStax University Physics, Volume 1, Chapter 4, Problem 46. A secret agent leaves a slope at 15 meters per second, directed 30 degrees below horizontal. The snow is 100 meters below the launch point, and the gorge is 60 meters wide. We will find the fall time and the horizontal position, then decide whether the far edge is cleared. Set the launch point as the origin. Let positive x point to the right and positive y point upward. Resolve the initial velocity using the triangle actually drawn. The horizontal component is positive v0 times the cosine of 30 degrees, about 13.0 meters per second. The vertical component points downward, so it is negative v0 times the sine of 30 degrees, or negative 7.50 meters per second. The drawn triangle determines sine and cosine. The coordinate axes determine the signs. To find time, compare the available projectile equations by counting unknowns. The horizontal equation contains both the unknown range and the unknown time. The vertical velocity equation contains the unknown impact velocity and time. But the vertical position is known, y equals negative 100 meters. Only one quantity remains undetermined in that equation, time. Therefore, solve the vertical position equation first. Substitute y equals negative 100 meters and v0 y equals negative 7.50 meters per second. Moving everything to one side gives 4.90 t squared plus 7.50 t minus 100 equals 0. The quadratic formula produces two mathematical roots. The positive root is 3.82 seconds. The negative root describes an extrapolation to a time before launch, so it is not part of the stated motion. The same time now goes into the horizontal motion. With zero horizontal acceleration, x equals v0 x times t. Substituting 15 cosine 30 degrees and 3.82 seconds gives 49.6 meters. Horizontal and vertical motion use the same clock. We solved the vertical equation first only because it contained enough known information. Finally, compare the calculated horizontal position with the 60-meter gorge width. 49.6 meters is 10.4 meters short of the far edge. With the stated speed and angle, the agent does not clear the gorge. A numerical answer is not the final step when the question asks whether a physical condition is satisfied. The reusable strategy is to choose axes, resolve the launch velocity with signs, and identify which component equation contains enough known information. Solve that component for the shared time, use the time in the other component, and compare the numerical result with the physical requirement. A launch below horizontal is not a new formula. It is the familiar projectile model with a negative initial vertical component.